Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy mango ice cream at home using just 4 ingredients. So let's get started. I've taken 2 chopped mangoes here. I've roughly chopped them. I'm going to add them now to a blender because we're going to make a puree out of this. And to this blender I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. And the amount of sugar totally depends on how sweet you like your ice cream to be. Just eat the mangoes and check whether they're sweet enough. If they lack sweetness, you can always add more sugar. So once that is done, this is how your puree is gonna look. Perfect, pulpy and smooth. So now I'm using fresh Amul cream that I kept in the freezer for about 2 hours. And I'm gonna use the whisk attachment of my blender and I'm gonna whip this whole cream mixture. We're trying to achieve soft peaks, but even if you don't get the soft peaks, don't be too worried. It's totally fine. So once the blending is done, for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna add condensed milk. So I'm using the Nestle Milkmaid here, half a cup. Again, if you don't like a lot of sweetness, then cut the sugar quantity, but please don't reduce the quantity of the condensed milk. This provides a very nice and creamy flavor. I'm also going to add about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract because I really like the flavor that it adds to the ice cream. But don't go overboard with the vanilla extract. You don't want to overpower the ice cream. So just going to mix it all together. And now I'm going to add the mango puree that we had made earlier. So it's a very simple recipe. Combining all of the ingredients, mixing it together, putting it in a box and freezing it. So as you see, I'm just mixing it all together very well, and I'm gonna now pour it out into an airtight container. I'm gonna cover it with foil and I'm gonna freeze it for about 5 to 6 hours or till it's well set. So there you have it. The mango ice cream is ready. Just look at how perfect the scoops are. It's so tasty, so creamy and so rich, filled with mango pulp and the mango flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.